Solid principles in 2 minutes. Solid principles make code awesome. There are 5 fundamental principles that make software development easier for more fun. Only 5 principles: S, single responsibility or open close; L, list scope substitution; I, interface segregation; D, dependency inversion. Let's see one by one. S, single responsibility principle. The rule: one class, one job. Every class should have only one reason to change. You cannot add multiple logics inside one particular class. A student class should consist of only the data or the code that can access by the student. Email service should consist of only the functions related to email service. Report generator for the same. For example, e-commerce website, gaming development, social media apps. O, open close principle. Here means open for extension, close for modification. The code should be written in a way that it is open for extension, and we does not need to modify the code for any modification to get it useful. For example, payment processing, report generation, transportation errors. L, list scope substitution principle. It means subtypes must be substitutional. It means if you have a parent class, which should be able to replace it without any of its child class, without breaking the code. For example, bird class, if extend to other classes, should not be used in a way that it can give error. For example, vehicle rental system, user management, media player. I, interface segregation principle. Many small interfaces are better than one big interface. Don't force the classes to implement methods that we don't need. Keep interface focused on specific area. Good example of it is like we created multiple interfaces, for example, worker, eater, and so on, so that if whatever interface we require, we implement that. For example, printer system, smart home devices, employee management system. Dependency inversion principle. It says that the logic depends upon the abstraction, not on the concrete process. A good example of this is that notification services and email services are created, and then we are actually using the notification class and email class. For example, data storage, payment processing, login system. These are the solid principles like single responsibility, open close, list scope substitution, interface segregation, and dependency inversion. What it gives benefit is like easier to maintain, easier to test, and easier to understand. Solid principles helps you to write the code that is flexible, maintainable, and fun to use.